In many setups, work is spread across different tools. Files in one place, communication in another, and projects somewhere else. An integrated solution brings these pieces together, reducing friction, duplicate work, and need to constantly relearn how things work. As Nextcloud has grown, one question has stayed constant: how to add new capabilities without turning the platform into a collection of loosely connected tools. We have now Simon here, our software developer, to explain a little bit more about it. Simon, can you give us a little overview about how we approach design at Nextcloud and what is your team doing recently?
Yes, of course. So first of all, design in Nextcloud is not primarily about visuals. It is about integration and creating the best possible user experience. We follow our design principles in all our apps and provide them as guidelines for developers of third-party apps and integrations. Sharing a file should not require a user manual. For example, creating a folder for your team should be just a few clicks. In Nextcloud Hub 26 Winter, we do more improvements to make everything feel intuitive.
Well, software should be usable everywhere and by everyone. It should be accessible from any location, browser or operating system. How can we ensure this, and what did the design team recently worked on?
We constantly study how people use Nextcloud on different devices, and based on that, we improve the experience. For example, in Nextcloud Files app, we've adjusted the toolbar design for various screen formats and worked on the filtering UI. In general, your daily workflows are more simplified. For example, you can now find the QR code needed to log in on your mobile devices much more easily. Just click the little QR code icon in the user menu.
Our next principle is software should get out of the way, so it should do things automatically instead of offering configuration options. Can you give us an example?
Sure thing. Nextcloud Mail is an example of an app that works in a simple way but can do a lot. You can enjoy a simple, intuitive inbox with summaries and reply suggestions, or, if you wish, apply complex filtering in order to search your emails or set up bulk automations with quick actions. In Nextcloud Hub 26 Winter, it's even easier. All attachments are now clearly visible in email threads. Also, there's a compact mode and improved filtering, just to name a few improvements.
So to stick a bit with the design principles, one more principle is to always try and fix the root problem, not just adding settings.
Yes, we added a lot of improvements in how existing features work. For example, mail folders got more intuitive icons and wording. And we also improved the interface of the Nextcloud Assistant, our AI assistant. Where things need customization, we provide settings on both admin and personal level to get the best Nextcloud experience. Those settings were updated in many places.